So I just came home from running errands and the chickpeas are falling over, but they're too big at this point for this little seed tray. So I was actually out getting materials to uppot them. So yeah, that's the next task because they are outgrowing this little space. Pretty is really laid out. So uppotting is just the process of moving the seedlings to bigger pots. This is not the final container that they're going to be growing in, but they're just too big for the seedling trays at this point in time. I mentioned in the first video that I got my seed tray from my local farm, and there's low-key a con to that I noticed while uppotting these. Some seedling trays are biodegradable, so you could just put the whole thing in a new container of soil and they'll break down, but I wasn't sure if mine did that, so I had to kind of rip my chickpeas out, which is absolutely terrible. Don't be like me. Find out how your seed trays work, if they could just be put directly into another container. But this process was really simple. I just took out the seedlings and surrounded them with potting soil. I started them in seed started mix, which is a little different. I will put the names of the brands I use in the caption, but yeah, I just moved them to bigger pots and rewatered them. I've been getting a lot of comments on TikTok. I've been getting DMs, people in person even telling me that I've been inspiring them to start trying to grow something. And that's all I want to do. Get back connected with the land, guys.